Ever wondered how to deal with tooth decay while waiting for a permanent solution? A temporary filling might just be the answer you need. Today we delve into the world of temporary fillings and how to apply one, providing you with a step-by-step guide. Imagine the scenario. It's late, the dentist's office is closed, and you're dealing with an annoying toothache due to a cavity. What can you do? Well, a temporary filling, available at your local Boots pharmacy, could be your saving grace. Look for one containing zinc oxide eugenol, a paste-like material that hardens in due time, offering a temporary respite from bacteria and further decay. Now, onto the application. Start by ensuring your hands are clean. Wash them thoroughly with soap and water, then dry with a clean towel. Next, gather your materials, the temporary filling material and a dental applicator like a cotton bud. With these in hand, it's time to prep the tooth cavity. Use the cotton bud to remove any food debris. Once cleaned, pat the tooth cavity dry with a clean towel. Now, apply a small amount of the temporary filling material to the dental applicator and place it in the tooth cavity. Use the applicator to shape the filling to match the surrounding teeth. Finally, rinse your mouth with water to remove any excess filling material. It's important to remember that temporary fillings are exactly that, temporary. They are not as durable as permanent fillings, so care while chewing and brushing is essential. Avoid hard or sticky foods and brush gently around the filling, ensuring its longevity. Should the temporary filling dislodge or come out, reach out to your dentist without delay. To recap, a temporary filling is a short-term solution for tooth decay, providing protection from bacteria and further decay. It can be applied at home using a clean cotton bud and a filling material containing zinc oxide eugenol, available at Boots Pharmacy. Remember to be gentle while eating and brushing to prevent dislodging the filling. Of course, if you're uncomfortable applying a temporary filling yourself, your dentist is always there to help. They can place the filling quickly and easily, ensuring you're back to your normal routine in no time. Remember, knowledge is power. Feel free to share this information and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more useful updates. Stay healthy and keep smiling.